What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you already a subscriber, if you're not yet a subscriber, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. And in today's video we are about to do this cute cheap hairstyle. This hairstyle that costs much money. You know, have to use much money to do this hairstyle. Yeah, you know. This hairstyle don't cost a lot. You don't have to have a lot of money to do this hairstyle. As you can see, I already get somebody to elastic my hair up for me because I was lazy and I just wanted a quick style to go to work, and I say, let me just do it on camera and show you guys that sometimes your girl are lazy. She is lazy sometimes to do her own hair, because you know, for the own hair it takes patience. If sometimes you are lazy, it's okay. It's okay. Take a little time and do what you got to do, okay? But yeah, because my hair is already elastic, all I do, I use a cushion needle and pull through a little bit of the pre-stretch hair, and this was 50 inch, so I have some inches there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my supporters, to all my people them who subscribe to my video. I want to give a big shout out, a big thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And at that point, I was watching YouTube and cracking up with jokes. So yeah. For the people who don't know how to twist, you can plait instead. It don't matter. Once you achieve what you're going for, yeah, you just do the same method, put the hair through the cushion needle, and then you plait instead of twist. What you want to make sure is that your parting is straight as possible, so that at least look good. And you want, if you're plaiting, you want to plait straight without bump. If you're twisting, you want to twist. You can have a little bump, no problem, without twisting. And this is where I finish. All I do, I get some mousse. You can use any mousse of your choice. Was just a cheap little mousse, and what you want to do is mousse down your hair. After you mousse your hair, you want to tie it down, and mousse is a key. And I add water at the end, because then you want the hair to look flat and nice and well done, like you went to the hairdresser. After I moved, I tied on and I went to my bed, and this was the next morning because I did my hair overnight. And what I did right here is just to pull out my hair after I tie it down. And girl, I'm telling you, I was loving the style because it was easy and cute. While pulling out the hair, I almost get my eyes out. It was funny though. But then I was loving this style. It was easy, cute, and nice. After I done, I do my little edges, and then at the end of the video I will show you a style. You could style it in some easy thing that you could wear it in. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a comment and leave a thumbs up, man. Leave a thumbs up. Love you guys. One love. Mwah. Go and big up on yourself.